Hi, everyone. So we have a huge thing that's changed about 482 visas. We actually have two things. Now, the first thing, they've removed the requirement that said in the policy, in the departmental policy, no casual employment. No casual employment to meet the requirement for a 482. So, for example, you're a chef, just as an example, a chef, and you want to apply for a 482. You have a qualification in commercial cookery. You need to have 2 years experience. In the past, policy said these 2 years experience to be eligible for the 482. In order to be eligible for the 482. In the past, it said must not have been through casual employment. And in some jobs, for example, chefs, you would have the 2 years through casual employment. In the past, all these people were not eligible. If you had casual employment, even if full-time, you were not eligible. Now, we consider casual employment as well. And if that was part-time, that's fine. We consider pro rata. That's the first big thing. Now, the second big thing is eligibility for a 482 was 2 years of work experience in the last 5 years. That's a big thing. It restricted some people from applying. 2 years in the last 5 years. It's no longer the case. It just says 2 years. So, for example, you're an architect. You have a Bachelor of Architecture in 2010. June 2010, you completed a Bachelor of Architecture. You worked 2 years as an architect from June 2010 to June 2012. Okay? Now, in the past, they would tell you, no, you're not eligible because, yes, you have 2 years experience, but for a 482, the 2 years experience need to be in the last 5 years. So we are happy to consider the period from September 2019 to September 2024. These are your last 5 years. Please give us evidence of 2 years of experience in these last 5 years. There is no more such restriction. 2 years at any time in your career make you eligible. That's a big thing. That's a very big thing. These changes have been made to the policy. So this is already valid. This is already working. We can already do that. And that's a big chance, good opportunity to launch a 482 now, because more changes are coming in November. And potentially the skills occupation lists will change. And potentially some jobs will be removed from the skills occupation lists. So with this relaxation of requirements that I told you about today, and with the risk that potentially mid-November we'll have a different skills occupation list, what you should do is perhaps apply as soon as possible before the changes. Or it's up to you. You can also wait for the changes, but then you need to understand that perhaps you might no longer be there, not on the list anymore. And that will be kind of a problem. So this is the update for today. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and share it.